Well, happy Friday, kindergartners. It is Friday Phonics Day. And so today we are going to just do a little practice. It's just a review, we've been reviewing all week. But we are going to use the letters below to spell the word for each picture. And you are going to help me. All right, here we go. Let me move myself. If I'm here, am I good? All right, we'll see. All right, the first little girl, or this little girl, she looks like she's mad. So what sounds are in the word mad? Well, let's think. D. Mad. Okay, the first sound, I already did it for you. I put the letter M here. What's the second sound? Well, it's an A. I know that because A is for apple. Apple. Okay, what's the last sound? D. It's a D. You're right. I heard that. D. She is mad. Mad. All right, I put this on my toast every single morning. It is jam. Okay, boys and girls, what's the first sound you hear in the word jam? You hear the J. Whoops. Second word, or second letter. Oh, well, there you go. And the final sound you hear is So which one of these letters in this box that you have in front of you is the letter that says You're right, the M. Good job. All right. Oh, this one is always so tricky when you live in North Dakota because this word we would say is bag. But the way you're supposed to say it is bag, bag. So what's the first sound you hear? B. You're right, you hear B. B. Apple, And then G. Bag, bag. You're right, good job. The G. All right, how about down here, this one? All right, it's a fan. N. Okay, F. Apple. Oh, yes, nose. That's right. Good job. All right, let's go to our next page. Okay. This one in the corner is a picture of a jet. All right, are you ready? A jet. First sound. J, T. I see it. J. What's the second sound? E. And what's the third sound? T. That's right. I'm going to grab the T. I think the T was behind my picture. So I don't know where I'm supposed to be here. If I put myself right there, can you still see me? There we go. All right, how about the number 10? All right, 10 has three sounds. It has the Okay, what's the first sound? You're right, you guys are so good. T. What's the second sound? Elephant. You're right. E. Good job. All right. What's the last sound? The last sound is an N for nose. Good job. Hey, this is where a spider lives. A spider lives in a web. You are right. So a web. Oh, that's a W for sure. Okay, I got my rubber band here. The middle sound is what? You're right. The E. B. Web. You're right, it's a B. Good job. You Kids are smart. All right. Many of you want to grow up to be this person. This person is a vet. 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 What's the first sound? You're right, it's a V. Ooh, that's a fun one to say. It makes my lips tingle. Okay, what's the middle sound? You're right, it's E. And then T. Oh my goodness, you kids are good. You are doing such a fantastic job. All right. Do you know what he has? He has a rip in his pants. This is rip. Okay, are you with me? Let's spell this word. Ip. Ip. You're right, it's an R. Ip. Rip. I'm going to put this down. I don't want to see it. What's the second sound? You're right, it's an I. And then ip. P. You kids are good. Do you know what? Let's do sit. The girl, she is sitting, but we are only going to write the 3 CVC words. Sit. Ready? It. Oh my goodness, you knew this right away. T. That's right, sit. Do you know what this is? This is a tin. Tin. Well, what is the first sound? T. You're right. T. Put it all together. Tin. T. Tin. All right, our last one is a pin. P. What is the first sound? P. You're right, the beginning sound is P. What's the middle sound? P. In. Good job. And what's the final sound? P. Oh my goodness, you guys are good. All right, let's go for it. Okay, I'm going to do this one quick. Do you know what this bunny is doing? That bunny, hop. Have you ever heard of the bunny hop? Oh my goodness, the bunny hop. Okay, what's the first sound? You're right, H. Ah. Oh, you're right. O. P. You're right. It's a P. How about a log? What's the first sound you hear in log? Ooh, ah, g. Ooh, ah, g. Right. The L. Ooh, ah. And then finally g. Log. Okay, this is a pot. 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 All right, here we go. I think it's a P. And I hear ah, so that I know is an O. Ah, and pot. Good job. Pot. Finally, here is the person who keeps us safe. This person is a cop. K-op. K-op. All right, here we go. Well, I don't see a K there, so I'm going to pick the C. Ah. Oh, here we go. Ah. And the final sound. P. Oh, you kids are doing well. I wish I could hear you out there. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun. The sun is really not out today. It is so snowy because I'm making this on Thursday for you tomorrow, and it is so snowy out. Holy buckets. Okay, let's hurry up, Mrs. Dawes. What's the first sound you hear in sun? S, n, s, n, s, s, umbrella, nose, s, sun. Good job. This is a rug. Aladdin sat on a rug, and it was a magical rug. So how do we spell rug? G. Umbrella. G. Rug. Good job. How about this is a, oh, well, I want to say nap, Let's see, what is it supposed to be? A pup. It is supposed to be a pup, boys and girls. Can I get over there and get rid of it? Pup. 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 Up. Pup. Up. Pup. Pup. Last one, sub. Ooh, sometimes I like to eat submarine sandwiches. B. Sub. Now, did we do CVC words with A? Did we do CVC words with E? Did we do CVC words with I? Did we do CVC words with O? Did we do CVC words with U? Boys and girls, I think we practiced CVC words with all 5 vowels. Now, don't forget that I have a worksheet in your seesaw activity, and you will be either reading words or you will be spelling words for me, probably spelling, because that's what we did today. I will see you on Monday. Enjoy!